The boss of Columbus City Schools called to testify in the hearing of a principal who was fired in connection with the district's data doctoring scandal. ABC6 reporter Ann Stoia was the only television reporter in the hearing and brings us some new details tonight. Ann?
Well, that hearing is still going on this evening here at the Civil Service Commission. Dr. Dan Good sworn in today to testify. He took the stand, and Good saying principals should be able to perform their duties with integrity. They should be role models. And he says that they should perform within their job description, even if the school is at risk or in poverty. Now, lawyers for Tiffany Chavers are trying to establish that she was changing data because that is what her supervisors told her to do, and that other principals made changes and were not fired. And Chavers' lawyers are working to establish more students were likely to move, so more data changes were expected.
It wasn't just the total number of absences, but it was the coding associated with those breaks in enrollment. And where there wasn't evidence to support what those codes indicated.
And lawyers tried to get convicted data czar Steve Tankovich to appear as a witness, but his subpoena was not correctly served. Another key administrator embroiled in the scandal, Michael Dodds, had been subpoenaed, but his attorney today pointed out a defect in the subpoena and said he would not be appearing. But the attorney also said his client plans to invoke his Fifth Amendment rights. More than 40 witnesses may be called to testify during this hearing. And retired Superintendent Jean here is expected to be at the hearing. She was expected today, but apparently, again, she mentioned those subpoenas and said she will be back in the morning to take the stand. So far, no word on whether she'll take the Fifth Amendment. We're live in downtown Columbus. Ann Stoia, ABC6 News.